Alright, so ended here yesterday, got this done, finished stapled down, and then hopped over to this room over here, got this one done, basically this whole half of the building over here. So I got that one up there. Maybe I didn't staple that one down. That one looks kind of floppy. I don't know if I actually got that one. That one looks really bad. So maybe I didn't staple that one. There. Coming down here. And then going to this room. So more lights and switches. These ones are drop ceilings into this box. I stopped over here. Eventually it'll go. Okay, I totally didn't staple that one down, so. Oh yeah, that's because that one needs another wire, so it'll be going through the wall eventually. Going back to here. And then going to the next light, which is going to be right there, and then down to the switch there. Alright guys, so another day of lighting and switches, low voltage, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Yet another short little video. Everyone was still making noise in there. Got off early again, so had a really good day, really good mood, good mood and a good mindset. So yesterday I was just kind of fighting my mind, but I had a really good day. But today I had a good day and a good mindset, so it was extra good today. So hopefully the air conditioning isn't too noisy for you guys if that's making noise. But there's some traffic jam up here, so just making the outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And if you enjoyed it and you want to help me out, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Getting close to 850, so hope to get to know the new people on the channel, and definitely leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. I will see you guys later. Peace out.